Check this.
What's up everyone? Today we'll be unlocking an iPhone 11 that is locked to T-Mobile. As you can see, it is on iOS 13.5.1, which is the latest, and we'll be using a Gevey or Gevey, whatever you call it, Pro. I do have a Cricket SIM card. I'm gonna put it in so you can see that the phone is locked, and it will show the message SIM not supported. So right there, SIM not supported. Alright, like I said, we're going to be using the Gevey SIM card, and this method applies to pretty much any carrier, Sprint, at&t, overseas carriers. It doesn't matter what it is, it will still unlock your phone. Just make sure that the phone is updated to the latest iOS to unlock it. Right now I'm using Gevey Pro. You can use Rsim 14, Rsim 15, even Rsim 12. So we're gonna go edit ICCID, and we're gonna put in the 20 digits ICCID. As of now, June the 18th, it is working. It might not work in a couple days, in a week, just depends. If for some reason it doesn't work for you, just let me know in the comment, and I will update it. I will update the ICCID for you. Don't worry about it. I'm here to help. Alright, then we'll hit accept, and right away we're gonna have to turn it off. Just turn off the phone and turn it back on. It's really easy. Put in the chip with your SIM card, edit the ICCID, turn off your phone, turn it back on, and you should get service right away. And voila, we're in the home screen. As you can see, Cricket. Let me turn off the Wi-Fi so you can see the LTE. There's LTE, the internet is working. Let's test it out. And voila, it's pretty fast for Cricket, really, since at&t bought it, so they have good service. And let's make a call test.
Thank you for calling Cricket Wireless.
As you can see. And that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. Please subscribe, like, and share. I appreciate your support. Until the next video. Have a good one.